Today we are going to solve problem set 5 of 10th standard maths part 1st algebra. In that chapter number 5 probability. Okay, question number 2. Basketball players John, Wasim, Akash were practicing the ball drop in the basket. The probability of success for John, Wasim and Akash are 4 by 3, 0.83 and 58% respectively means the probability of success for John is 4 by 5. The probability of success for Wasim is 0.83 and probability of success of Akash is 58%. That means respectively. Who had the greatest probability of success? Okay. See, very easy one. See, John. Probability of John throwing the ball in the basket is 4 by 5. Probability of Wasim throwing the ball in the basket is 0.83. Here 0.83. And probability of Akash throwing the ball in the basket is 58%. But all three values are in different. This thing is in fraction. This is also decimal fraction, and this is percentage. So we have to convert into. Let us convert into decimal fraction so that it's very easy to say who had a greatest probability of success. Okay. So first let's write let the probability of who? John. First who? John. Probability of John throwing the ball throwing the ball in the basket is this is 4 by 5, no, 4 by 5, and probability and that of Wasim is 0.83, okay, and probability of Akash throwing the ball in the basket is 58%. Okay. So we have to convert into all in a decimal. This is already in decimal fraction. We have to 4 by 5 and 58% we have to convert into decimal fraction so that we can say that which is the greatest one. Here let's write let the probability of the John throwing the ball in the basket is 4 by 5. That is P of A. No, P of A. Let this be P of A. This is the first event. P of A. Probability of event A. This is event B. That throwing the ball, probability of Wasim throwing the ball in the basket is, let this be P of B. P of B. And the probability of Akash throwing the ball in the basket be, let this be P of C. These are events. See, now let's write P of A. Therefore, P of A. This is the probability of A. Probability of John throwing the ball in the basket. That is 4 by 5. Let's convert into decimal fraction. This is smaller number. This is a bigger number. Therefore, a decimal point will come. So this take 0, 40. 5 8 is 40. 5 8 is 40. Then P of B. Who is P of B here? P of B is Wasim. Probability of Wasim throwing the ball in the basket. That is already it is in the decimal fraction 0.83. Here we can see here 2 digits are there. After the decimal fraction 2 digits are there. So we can add 1 0 on the right hand side. Okay. We can add. So means so that we can say no. We can compare. Now P of C. P of C. Who is P of C? Is Akash. Probability of Akash throwing the ball in the basket is how much? That is 58%. Who? Akash. This is 58%. That we have to convert into decimal fraction. 58% means what? 58% means 58 out of 100. No, this is 58 out of 100. So this is 58, smaller number. So decimal fraction. This decimal point will come. So now add 1 0. 580. 100 how many times? 5. Okay. Then how many remains? 80. Add 1 more 0. 800. 8 times. 5 8. 0.5. Now we can say that who had the greatest probability of success? All three are in decimal fraction. Who is the greatest one? Say 0.8. Here 0.83. This is 0.5. This is smallest one. Okay, it's 0.5. This is 0.8. After that 3 has come. Means this P of B is greater than. This is who? P of B is Wasim is greater than this thing. So we can write like this. We'll write like this. See P of A and P of B. Therefore, P of B is greater than P of A. Okay, then comes P of C. Okay, right, so that we can write the answer. Therefore, answer is, we have to write answer. Answer, who had the greatest probability of success? Here, P of B has the greatest success. No, who is P of B? P of B is Wasim. Therefore, right answer, Wasim has the greatest probability of success. Okay. Now question number 3. In a hockey team, there are 6 defenders, 4 offenders and 1 goalie. Out of these, 1 player is to be selected randomly as a captain. Find the probability of the selection that the goalie will be selected as captain. A defender will be selected as captain. So we have to find out. So first we'll find out, see, in a team, hockey team, there are 6 defenders, 4 offenders and 1 goalie. Means total number of players in a hockey team that we have to find. That's the sample space. No, that's a sample space. So we'll write here, in a hockey team, number of defenders. Number of defenders 6. No, number of offenders of 4 are number of offenders. Then number of goalie. Number of goalie is 1. Therefore, total number of players in a hockey team are 6 plus 4 is 10, 11. Total number of, therefore, sample space is 11. Okay. See, this is not necessarily S. This is sample space. That is number of elements in a sample space. That is N of S. N of S is 11. We need all this, no? N of S we need. Now, event. See, first event. Now, first question is, a goalie will be selected. Let A be the event. Let A be the event that the goalie will be selected. As a captain. Okay. Let A be the event that goalie will be selected as a captain. Goalie. Therefore, number of N of A. N of A is 1. No, N of A is 1. Therefore, probability of A is N of A. This is the formula, no? Then N of S. That is N of A is 1. N of S is 11. Therefore, P of A is 1 by 11. P of A is 1 by 11. That's the first question. The goalie will be selected as a captain. That's the probability of A is 1 by 11. Now, second one, a defender will be selected. Let B be the event that a defender will be selected as a captain. Therefore, N of B. B is an event defender. How many defenders? 6. N of B is defender. Okay. N of B is 6. N of B is 6. Okay. N of B is 6. Therefore, P of B is N of B divided by N of S. N of B is 6. N of S is 11. N of S is 11. Therefore, P of B is 6 by 11. Only this much you have to do. Now question number 4. Joseph kept 26 cards in a cap bearing one English alphabet on each card. One card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card drawn is a vowel card? Okay, see here 26 cards in a cap bearing English alphabet means there are 26 alphabets in English, no? So therefore sample space we have to write. So first we'll write the alphabets of English. Okay, then the alphabets alphabets of English are, that's a sample space, no? That is a sample space. We have to write all 26. Joseph kept 26 cards in a cap bearing one English alphabet on each card. Means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, then M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is a sample space. 26 cards bearing one English alphabet in each card. Therefore, N of S is 26. Now question is, what is the probability that the card drawn is a vowel card? Therefore, let this N of S is 26. Let A be the event. Here this is the condition. Let A be the event that the probability of card drawn, A be the event, let A be the event that the card is a vowel card, that the card is a vowel card. It's probability that we have to find out. Okay, A be the event. So which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Therefore A is, right, this is a subset of the sample space, that is A, E, I, O, U. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowels, only 5 vowels. Therefore N of A is 5. Therefore P of A. Now that we have to find out probability that card drawn is a vowel card. Probability of A, event A, P of A is N of A divided by N of S. That is N of A is 5, N of S is 26. Therefore probability of A, that event that has card is a vowel card, that is 5 by 26. Only this much you have to do. 5 by 26. Question number 5. A balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. He wants to choose one of them at random to give it to Pranali. What is the probability of the event that Pranali gets a red balloon, a blue balloon, a green balloon? We have to find out the probability of these. See, balloon vendor has 2 red, means see any this probability question. First you have to find out the sample space. No, here let's take 2 red balloon be R1 and R2 will take, blue be B1, B2, B3, and green is G1, G2, G3. In this way we can find out the sample space, that's N of S we'll find out. Then we can find out red, okay, probability of these according to this condition. Okay, so first let R1 and R2 are red balloons. Okay, R1, R2 are be the red balloons. And B1, B2 and B3 because here 2 red, R1, R2, 3 blue, 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons are the blue balloons. And next green, G1, G2, G3 and G4 are be the green balloons. Therefore sample space. First we have to find out first R1, R2, then B1, B2, B3. No, then G1, G2, G3 and G4. Four green balloons. This is the sample space. Therefore, N of S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. N of S is 9. N of S is 9. Now, red balloons. What is the probability of event that Pranali gets a red balloon? Now, question number 1. Let A be the event that Pranali gets red balloons. Red balloons. That is A. A is R1 and R2. No? Therefore, N of A is 2. Therefore, P of A is N of A divided by N of S. N of A is 2 divided by N of S is 9. Therefore, P of A is 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Now second one, blue balloon. Let B be the event that Pranali gets blue balloon. Let B be the event that the Pranali gets blue balloon. Second, blue balloons. Therefore, now we have to find out B. B is B1, B2 and B3. 3 balloons, no? Therefore, N of B is 3. Therefore, P of B, probability of blue balloons. P of B is N of B divided by N of S. N of B is 3 divided by N of S is 9. Therefore, P of B is 3 by 9. Okay. Now, third one is green balloon. Green balloon. Let C be the event. Let C be the event that Pranali gets a green balloon. Green balloons. Therefore, C is G1, G2, G3, G4. Therefore, N of C is 4. Therefore, P of C is N of C divided by N of S. N of C is 4 divided by N of S is 9. Therefore, P of C is 4 by 9. Okay. See here, we can simplify. 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. No, therefore, P of B is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Further simplification. Okay, 1 by 3. See. Okay. Very easy. Question number 6. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue and 3 green pens. Rutuja wants to pick a pen at random. What is the probability that the pen is blue? See, a box contains 5 red pens, 8 blue pens and 3 green pens. So, let's write number of red pens, number of red pens. How many? 5. Number of blue pens. Blue pens are 8. Therefore, number of green pens. Green pens are 3. Therefore, the total number of pens. Total number of pens are 5, 8 is 13, 13, 16. Okay. This is a sample space. First we'll write S. Sample space will write S. We'll take here. Red pens are R1, R2, R3 till R5. Blue are B1 to B8. Okay. Green are G1, G2, G3. Okay. Let's take that. Otherwise, directly also you can do enough This is 16. So therefore n of s is 16. Directly also you can do. In this way also you can do. See, sample space are, one is R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. 5 red pens. Okay, then 8 blue pens. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8. Then green pen G1, G2 and G3. Therefore n of s is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. n of s is 16. n of s is 16. Now, what is the event? What is the question? What is the probability that the pen is blue? Therefore, let A be the event that see, Rutuja wants to pick a pen at random. Let A be the event that that pen picked up is blue. That pen picked up is blue. Is blue. That is A is blue is 8. You can write like this. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Not necessary to write like this. They write directly. You can write like this. N of A is 8. N of A is 8. Okay. Therefore, P of A. That is the question here. See, probability that the pen is blue. N of A divided by N of S. N of A is 8 divided by N of S is 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So 1 by 2. That is probability of event A. Probability of event A means picking up the blue pen is 1 by 2. Only this much. P of A is probability of picking up the blue pen is 1 by 2. So students, in problem set 5, I've solved till 6. Okay. In my next video, I'm going to start from 7 and onwards. So this is very easy chapter. Probability is very easy chapter. How you found this chapter? Do let me know in the comment section. Okay. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, like and share with your friends and classmates. Okay. So, okay then. Bye.